about Mr. Ronnie and what college you want to go to? What college you want to go to?
I think I want to go to LSU Health just for there. Because I heard it was really good. It was a good college and it helps you be proactive.
I'm going to the same college. Mom, what? So I'm really excited because I'm going to this LSU college with my best friend.
That's really good. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
My daughter got into LCU. She's going to that college for nursing. Since when? Since, I don't know, since whenever she applied. She's supposed to work for my business. She should not be going to a nursing college. So I heard that she was going to a nursing college.
I am.
What's all that about?
I am.
Okay, but you're supposed to support my business, and my business is always what's the deal?
You're funny. I don't want to work with you
Why not?
because you're not my dad, and I don't want to work with
Okay,
you.
but I'm your stepfather. I already your license day too.
Okay, but you're not my
Okay,
dad.
but
You're not
at least
my
I'm
real
your
dad.
Like, at least so I didn't live your life like your real father did. Do you get to see him? Do you get to see him? Give me that phone. So she act like, give me that.
I don't have my password. Whew. Hi, it's Cricket. You receive your 42 minutes for. Oh, I am so excited to go to the same college. Like, oh my god. How dare you?
Hating is crazy.
Hey. So I just submitted my thing. I wanna read you too. I said I wanna get in this college because I think I'm good in that, and I want to show my family wrong about helping people. And my stepdad is always hating, and I want to prove him wrong and my family wrong. And I hate him so much. So I think I'm good enough for this college. So yeah, is that good? Did you submit yours? Did you submit yours? I'm on my home computer, but I'll call you back. Congratulations, you've been approved to go to LSU Health College. We love your essay. I hope everything is okay. What does it mean by that? But I got accepted.
I got accepted to my college.
That's good. Are you really bad? Mm-hmm. So what's wrong with you?
My chest be hurting, and I can't feel my body.
Why can't you feel me?
Did you start the day before yesterday?
How long?
How long?
How many hours?
48.
Okay. Have you ever had these pains before?
No, that's why I came to the hospital.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how bad does it hurt?
A 9.
So it hurts real bad?
Yes. You need to go to the hospital? No, I don't need to. We're going to the hospital.
Good.
He's sick. He's very sick. He's been sick for a few days. For days. For like 3 to 2 days.
Can you please step out of the room so I can talk to him?
For sure.
Okay.
haven't been in nursing school.
You don't gotta be rude.
I'm not being rude.
Clearly you are.
How? That's because that little nigga over there. Who's disrespectful?
You.
How am I disrespectful?
You're coming at me disrespectfully, and I didn't do nothing to you.
I didn't tell you to choose nursing school.
Well, it's my decision, not yours.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
You don't run me.
Yes, I
You
do.
don't control me. No, you don't.
We're gone. That's
Okay, go.
Oh my goodness, are you okay? My wrist. My wrist ain't. What a nurse. Yeah, get a doctor. You're a nurse.
Have he opened his eyes yet?
No. Where the bathroom is?
It's over there. You gotta turn and you will see it right there.
My job.
My job.
Thank you, I was wrong. And da 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 da. What chicken is walking upstairs?